In this video, I will show you how to uninstall updates on Windows 11. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click onto the Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom. And then what you want to do is come and click onto Settings. If you don't see the settings in your pinned apps, you can use the search box at the top. Type settings and then open up your settings underneath best match. Now once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Windows Update. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, if you scroll down slightly to the More Options section, you're going to see an option which says Update History. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, where you can see all your installed updates. Now from here, if you scroll down on this page, you need to come down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see underneath the Related Settings section, there is an option to uninstall updates. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you can find the updates that you want to uninstall. So you might want to do this if you've installed a recent update and it's causing problems on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. All you need to do is find the update that you want to uninstall. So for example, I'm going to use this one here. Come to the right hand side and click the uninstall link. And what it's going to do is open a window like this, asking if you want to uninstall this update. From here, just simply click the uninstall button, and then you can run through the steps to uninstall that update from your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So that is how to uninstall updates on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.